Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix missing ad trust connection on your Roblox. So I'm provide full guide. If you don't get or not working this option, I'm provide solution. So please don't skip my video. Press on 3 line. Then you get settings option. Press on to settings. Account info. So I hope you just follow my all process, then you get 100% solution. Scroll down, press on check your age to get more feature. Click on to continue, okay, and you just verify your face. And select your driver license, national ID card or passport. Just select and put in to your ID card or passport or driving license. Okay, and you just verify your age, and then you get this option. Press on my QR option, then you get to QR code, and you just check out my description box and provide video link how can easily add trusted connection on your Roblox and provide full guide.